In this video, I will show you how to pay 0 Ethereum gas fee. So is this really possible to pay 0 Ethereum gas fee? Actually, this is not possible to completely avoid Ethereum gas fee, but there are some tricks that you can reduce your high Ethereum gas fee. So it's depend upon your usage. So you can also use the DeFi Saver app to reduce Ethereum gas fees. So there are some methods you can follow to reduce Ethereum gas fee. So you can use DeFi Saver app. So you can also optimize your transaction timing, and you can also use D apps that offer discounts or rebates. So you can also utilize the gas tokens. So accurate calculation of Ethereum gas fee. So you can also use a layer 2 blockchain. So in this way you must have chance that you can avoid the high Ethereum gas fee, but there is no proper way to completely remove the Ethereum gas fee.